Good day to you, my trading friends. It's Thursday, February 11th, 2021, and your cherry bomb trade is in for today. So if you like Netflix and you want to be a Netflix bull, today's a trade for you. Netflix has a low IV rank of 9 right now. So that means buying some options, buying a few lottery tickets would be, but this is a better probability than a lottery ticket for sure. But low IV rank's great for that. So we're looking at a long call vertical. So we're going to be bullish in Netflix, which has a liquidity rank of 3 out of 4. You can see those drops right there. And so we're going to hop on into Thinkorswim and take a look at this trade and see what you think. Hi, everybody. My name is Neil, and I'm down here in the corner, and this is Option Theory, and I want to thank you so much for joining us. We do appreciate that you're here. On screen here, you can see we have our portfolio that we've built together. If you think you'd like to up your options game, then stay tuned to the end. We'll talk about what we do here, and then you can decide if you want to join us by hitting that subscribe button. So let's get moving. All right. On screen here, we can see that we have the chart for Netflix for the past 52 weeks. And you can see that it has been the little train that could. It's got these spikes, these moments of volatility, and then just chug, 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 moment of volatility, chug, 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 right? So it is definitely in a positive trend. I mean, I don't think anyone would deny that one. The question is, are we due for another one of these roller coaster ride down? But no, I mean, you're down and then right back up again. So, if you're buying enough duration, it could be all right for you. All right. So with that brief little analysis done here, and I think you can also pop over to Thinkorswim here. Tastyworks, there it is. You can see that, we're pretty neutral-ish, but we're chugging, all right? Still chugging higher. So let's head on back to Thinkorswim. Now, admittedly, I find myself needing a little bit of a negative delta boost, but, I'm going to go along with this one. I'm going to stay the course, even though I have too much positive delta, if you ask me. All right. So, do you worry about that, by the way? Not worry. Do you try to neutralize your deltas, or are you trying to be bullish? I'd love to hear from you. Leave me a comment below if you're trying to neutralize your deltas right now, or you're just trying to ride the wave. All right, so we're going to be in the March 26th, the weeklies, with 43 days to expiration as of today. We're going to be buying the 360 call, but selling the, did I say 360? We're going to be buying the 560 call, and then selling the 565 call to finance the purchase of this, right? See, if otherwise we'd pay $32 or $3,205 for this, this call here, I'd rather not do that. Thank you. I'll cap my gains. That's fine. So I can get a better price and better probabilities. So with that, you can see down here, we have one contract. We're looking to spend $2.33 per share. That's $233 that this trade will cost us. And should Netflix move lower, we will lose money. How much? The amount of money you paid for the lottery ticket. Okay, so let's check out what are the probabilities for this lottery ticket. Let's go to the risk profile. Make sure your date in the top right corner here is set to the date that you see in the bottom left corner in turquoise, 3/27, March 27th. I have my price slice set to break even at expiration. I did that by clicking this menu, choosing set slices, break even, and then I chose the expiration date. So the good news is if Netflix stays where it is right now, we would make $170. If it goes a little higher, we could make a maximum of $267. Though we're looking to get out of this trade if we get to 50% of our maximum credit, and there is about a 67% chance of that happening for us. Where did I get that number from? I get that from Tastyworks. Another good reason to explore this platform here. Let me pull that up, and we'll see here that it has a 67 P50. So that's where that number comes from. So I'm not just pulling it out of thin air. All right. With that said, we now know our maximum profit and the probability of us taking 50% of that. Our max loss, of course, is the $2.33 that we pay for this trade. So I'm going to right click this trade. I'm going to choose confirm and send. I'm going to leave this in my margin account. I'm going to go ahead and hit send. And that's going to go into my working orders, of which this TLT one's probably never going to work out for me. Sorry, TLT. Actually, whatever. It owes me an apology. All right, so there's that one. Let's just take a look here in our IRA account. We put on the silver trade yesterday, which did not work out well for us. That's okay. So we were a short put in silver. How's silver looking today? Silver is looking up. Generally, the broad indices here, major indices are up. And what are we going here? 0.1 to 0.5% here. The Russell being the smallest up. And we have oil down, VIX is down, gold is pretty much unchanged. All right. Maybe we'll see a little, no relief here in TLT. All right, everybody, this is it. You've made it to the end. For those of you that are already subscribed, you got what you needed. Thumbs up for staying this long. If you're new here, let me tell you a little bit about what we do so you can consider joining us. We get emails from Tasty Trade 5 days a week. 4 of those days contain trade ideas. You can sign up for those same emails. Down in the description below, you'll find a bit.ly link. It'll take you over to Tasty Trade's email sign-up page. Rather than just getting those emails and doing nothing with them, what we do is try to take the fear out of trading by putting these Tasty Trade cherry bomb trades, right, into our simulated trading portfolio. That way you can get all the learning without all the risk so that you'll feel comfortable when you go to do this with your real money. If that sounds like something you're interested in doing along with us, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, because our videos come out when the market opens and you'll want to get these trades. Thank you so much for joining us. Until I see you in the next video, happy trading.